Hello everyone. Welcome to hrpreparation.com, India's first online institute for all kind of HR competitive exams. We do provide study materials, online test series for all HR competitive exams like UGC NET, PSU HR, IBPS HR, and any kind of other HR exams. Now we are going to discuss about IREL India Limited HR job vacancies. IREL is a mini Ratna company, and now we are going to understand what are the positions and other details. First of all, the closing date is for this notification is 5th October 2021, and coming to this opening positions for the graduate trainee HR, we have 6 positions, 5 positions for your unreserved and 1 position for the OBC NCL. And for this position, the first 1 year is as a training period. So for 1 year training period, candidate can get the salary 30,850 rupees plus HRA. So after successful completion of training period like 1 year, so the person will get 44,000 and some other allowances, and maximum age is 26 years. It means 26 years for the unreserved category people like OC, and there is a age relaxation also available for the OBC. Coming to the graduate trainee HR, the educational qualification, any graduate, BA, BSc, BCom, anyone can apply for this position. And so the graduation should be from the recognized Indian university with minimum 60%. So they may give the eligibility criteria for education. Any graduate can be eligible, but whoever completed their MBA, so they have weightage for this position. So this is the point actually. So they consider full-time course from the universities. So they don't consider part-time or distance mode education. This is the point actually. We have to note it down. And age relaxation. So here, so we are for the, for HR, there are 2 different categories. One is the unreserved and second one is the OBC. So for the OBC NCL, so the age relaxation for 3 years, 26 plus 3 years, 29 years. So this is the actually age relaxation shall be allowed up to 45 years. This is like the people who are already working. This is for the internal candidates. No age relaxation other than those list paragraph 5.1 above shall be allowed for internal candidates for the overseas postcode 2. So this is not applicable to postcode 2. If anybody is already working in any public sector undertaking, so they need to produce NOC at the time of second level test. Now we are going to discuss about mode of selection. The mode of selection for this position, graduate trainee HR. So first one is written test, that is called first level, and second level is skill test or computer proficiency test, otherwise psychometric test. So the psychometric test may be mandatory for all level of category people, like for the all positions. We may have the computer proficiency test after qualifying in the written test. So we have to attempt computer based test for the for postcode 1 to 5. So we are in between. Ours is postcode 2. This is the exam pattern. It is CBT, computer based test, and there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. For each paper 50 marks. The paper 1 consists of questions from the subject knowledge, like all are from the HR, and paper 2 from the general knowledge, numerical ability, reasoning ability, general English. So this is like general paper. So our code is PC2, graduate trainee HR. So we do provide online test series as well as study material with HR as well as general paper. So you can check it out under, you can visit www.hrpreparation.com and click on the PSU section. Under PSU section you can find the online course for this IREL India at first. So qualifying marks. The qualifying marks, so they will consider 1:5 for each opening position. So for the postcode 2, we need to secure minimum 25 marks. It means 50% we need to secure the marks. So the paper 1 is for the 50 marks, we need to secure minimum 25 marks, and for the paper 2 we need to secure 25 marks out of 50 marks. It means we need to score more in the written test. Final selection will be based on the marks obtained in written test only. So you need to score max in the written test instead of the second level. And now you can check it out. Written test centers. Postcode PC2, graduate trainee HR. So for the written test, there are 3 centers in India. One is Mumbai, Trivandrum, and Bhubaneswar. So you need to choose one of the 3. This is talking about medical examination after. So before joining, the selected candidates, like whoever qualified in first and second level, they need to go for free employment medical examination. So once you selected, and you will be under a training period. So this is as per the company policy. Here given 1 year of training period. So after 1 year only you will be promoted as junior supervisor, that is level S1, that is also grade. Service agreement. For any PSU there will be a service agreement, so you can you can check it out. So need to sign up one service agreement bond, which is worth of 50,000 for general, OBC, NCL candidates, and 25,000 for SC, ST, PWBD, EWS candidates. Place of posting. The place of posting for the PC2 graduate trainee HR, the selected candidates will be placed in any of the units, offices, establishment, project sites of the company. So there are many sites, and you can find those sites in very first paragraph. In the paragraph they have given where they have the units and all. Application fee for the graduate trainee HR. So we have only two different categories, unreserved as well as OBC. For OBC, 400 rupees need to pay, for unreserved also. How to apply? So we need to visit irel.co.in and you have to click on the career section, and the direct link is given in our blog. So you just click on that particular apply now, then you can be directed to that particular online application. There are few general instructions given here, and while you are going to fill the application, you need to ready these documents like email ID, mobile number, and so your educational qualification and experience if you have. So these are the details required, and while you are going for payment, it is required. And other things, recent photograph, signature, and you have to note it down, it is in black ink, and few scanned documents like educational proof and your degree certificate if you have experience certificate, and your caste certificate like for the OBC candidates. So this is for the OBC candidates. And income asset certificate, so if you are under EWS. So this is all about IREL India Limited HR graduate trainee openings. If you need any support or any assistance, do you have any doubts, just WhatsApp on our WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is given in the below description link. As well as, so we do provide online crash course for the IREL India Limited graduate trainee HR. So in that online course, the ebooks as well as test series, like test series are divided into two parts. One is topic wise test series and another one is model mock test series. So hrpreparation.com is only for the HR exam preparation, so you can visit www.hrpreparation.com and you can check our content. You can find that link in the description. All the best for your exam. Thank you very much for watching this video.